Welcome to the review channel. It's a beautiful day for a bike ride, but before I go anywhere, I should probably make sure there's enough air in my tires. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and check it out. This nice little tiny pump. It came with all of the different adapters I'm going to need for charging it or for hooking up to either a tire or to fill up some kind of sports balls or something like that. It also came with this nice little bag that everything fits in. So I'll be able to put it all in here so it stays together and then put that in my biking pack so that whenever I go out on the road, I have a pump with me and I'm able to fill my tires if needed. So this thing is pretty simple. You just charge it up with the USB-C here. I've already done that. And now this piece screws into there. And then this will screw on my bike tire. We'll turn it on and then we'll set it to the pressure that we want. So for my bike, I believe it is 35. We'll put it on the tire, press go, and it'll fill it to that pressure and then stop. Well, I checked and my tire only wants 20 PSI. So I'm going to make sure I set it at that. And then as you can see, there's currently only 6, so we'll turn the pump on. And it'll slowly climb up to the 20 we need. So as soon as it hit 20 PSI, it shut off on its own. Now I can just unscrew this, put the cap back on, and put this away. So I really like this. It's small enough that I can just throw it in my backpack or even in my pocket if I need to. Honestly, I might throw this in the glove compartment of my car, and then if my tire's ever low, I can just stop, hook this up, turn it up to whatever PSI I need, and fill my tire. So if you do a lot of bike riding or have anything else you need to regularly fill up with air, I definitely recommend this little pump. It worked really well for me, and I'm going to carry it with me pretty much everywhere I go.